guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaka. If this is your very first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So last year I did a video on how I moisturize my natural hair and how I make it soft all day. Okay, you guys seem to love that video. I'm still going to put that video somewhere here so you can go back and look at it. But this is an updated moisturizing routine for me, how I keep my natural hair soft all day, moisturized, my moisture routine. Okay, so I moisturize at least twice a week, especially when my hair is out, at least twice a week. So this video is similar to the last one. The only change here is that I'm using different products. Okay, the techniques are still the same, and yeah, okay, without further ado, let's get started in this video. So the products I'm going to be using are just water. Water is the best moisturizing agent out there, okay? But water is not just enough. If you have fussy hair like I do, water is not enough, okay? So I am going to be using my leave-in conditioner. This is the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-in Conditioning Repair Cream, okay? I'm going to also be using as a sealant my homemade hair butter. This is a Chebe cloves fenugreek homemade butter. I'm so in love with this butter, you guys. Okay, I'm going to put a video down so you guys can see how I made this DIY. Very simple, very straightforward, and it's actually very helpful. Okay, if you want to regrow your hair, if you're thinning, if you have thinning edges and yeah, bald spots, why not try this DIY? So the first thing I do is just to part my hair. I always work in sections. Okay, so we have one half here. My hair is very dry, and this will be my second time moisturizing my hair this week. I have 4C hair and low porosity as well, so again it takes a little longer for products to really penetrate into my hair and retain moisture. So I have to do this at least twice a week. That's the best routine for me. So I'm just going to take this one half and then start the process. Go straight in with water. You can see that the water beads just fall off my hair. Okay, that is the low porosity nature of my hair. So I have to really work this in so that I'll be sure that my hair strands are getting moisture, okay, from the water. So we're going to add more. We're going to add more water because it's still a bit dry. Ooh, there's a spray water on my face. So my hair is a bit coated with water now, as you can see. So I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, rub it together, and then start applying it into my hair. Actually do a comparison now and see what it's like when it is dry and when it is moisturized. So let's see that. So that's a comparison. All the white cast is going to melt away into my hair, so don't let that bother you. This is my hair butter. I love this butter, guys. Love. Okay, it's very thick. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of this and then seal in the moisture on my hair. Look at that, don't forget your edges. So once I'm done with this section, just before I style my whole hair, I'm just going to braid this down so that it can still have its moisture. Okay, so I'll just do a little loose braid, or you can do a twist and then move to the next section. So I always add a little more on my ends. Okay. Alright guys, so I'll be back. I'm going to do the rest of my hair off camera, and I'll be back with the final results. This is what my hair looks like after I've done all the sections. Okay. I think this method is called the LCO method. That's the liquid, cream, and oil method of moisturizing natural hair. Okay, and this is one of the ways you can moisturize hair. This method works for me the best. It helps to keep my hair soft all day, all week. Okay, with less products, very little amounts of products. So I'm just. So guys, I did style my hair into a sleek low bun and wore it for the day and for the next 3 days. I'm going to put up a video on how I achieved that style in the links and the cards above for you guys to check it out. But this is my moisturizing routine, guys. Very simple, very straightforward. You guys already know. Okay. Alright, I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video. If you have any other questions or suggestions, please leave it in the comment section and I will get to it. And yeah, these are the final results of what my hair looked like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, this is the end of this video. I put my hair in a sleek bun. Okay, you can see my hair is still so moisturized. It's gonna last all day for at least for the next 3 days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Join the family, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.